Campers, it's not morning, it's afternoon. Oh, I need to actually tell my cell phone where we're going. Yes, take me there. Excellent. Now I need you to do that silently. Thank you. Perfect. Alright, 10 miles. 10 miles to our trailer washout place. So, yeah, you'll notice we skipped like 2 weeks. So part of it is that my GoPro's memory card died. Yeah, I know, bad luck. A lot of stuff happened all at once. Very bad luck. But my GoPro's memory card died, and then I got sick right after New Year's. So it's actually been a couple of days since I've been driving. We wound up spending basically 2.5, 3 days of not driving. The third day we did like 2 hours. We picked up a load, drove it to a truck stop, and went to bed. That was not a busy day at all. Yeah, that was yesterday. Feeling a lot better now. A lot better. I was watching that guy maneuver through all of the reserve parking pylons just to avoid actually moving any. Like, dude, just get out and move one, and then back into the spot like a regular person. No, we are in Wilmington, Illinois, near Chicago. And I've got to go into Chicago and pick up a drop trailer at one of our customers in the city limits. Nice, easy, quick in and out, but I got to get this trailer washed first. This trailer is actually a cool one. It's a model year 2020 trailer. I know, it's like January, oh god, what is today? January 7th, 2019, and I've got a 2020 model year trailer already. They are very quick to start the new model year. We already had some of the new model year trailers before the end of 2018. Cool stuff. The new model year 2020 trailers have no major changes from the old ones. They've got the new retrofit for the tails, which I guess it wasn't a retrofit on these. I think it just came like that. But the trailer wings are no longer being, they are not the auto deploy wings anymore. They are these weird, it's the same style as the auto deploy wings. Like there's no superstructure and stuff underneath them, like on the old style. It's just these two cardboard fins, or I guess they're probably like plywood, really lightweight plywood or something. There's these two lightweight fins with a metal skeleton underneath. Oh, thank you for moving over, guy. Very helpful. This is not a very wide bridge. Oh. I'm blind. It's all good. It's all good. We're fine. It's also fairly windy today, but luckily we're going to be spending most of today's deadheading in Chicago itself, so we'll only be feeling the gusty winds on this stretch. We have the new trailer tails. Or the original 2018 version of these, I can't move over for you guys, so get behind me. Sorry. He's probably cussing me out on the radio right now. Not my fault. Yeah, no, so the 2018 version of these tails had a little tab that stuck up above the top of the trailer, so that the tails would automatically flip open anytime you broke like 25 miles an hour. The problem with that is that they were designed to flip open at 25 miles an hour going forwards, which means that a 25 mile an hour wind from the right direction would flip them open when you're sitting still. So they caused some injuries, they destroyed a few dock doors, that sort of thing. So they retrofitted them all with the 2019 version of those tails, where they had the tab sawn off, So the tab is gone, that caught the wind and flipped them open. That's gone. It doesn't help much. They still flip open on their own with the wind from the correct direction. But they started adding a hasp to them where you would lock them to each other. So the tail on the left would lock to the tail on the right, and they would stay closed like that. Well, a bunch of our customers didn't notice the hasp, so they would just rip the tails open when they open the doors and break. Alright, and they would break the hasp right off. So that didn't go well. So now they've got a new hasp where the wings, each wing separately locks to the door underneath it. So that's much better, and they aren't being broken off as customers open the doors. So that's good. That's good. But it's just like we're back to square one. We're back to the same design as the old trailer tails, essentially. Except now these new ones don't have any sort of superstructure to them to keep them from just randomly opening and closing when they aren't locked. So it's still kind of dangerous to be around them when it's windy if they're not locked to the doors, which kind of sucks. I lost my last pair of glasses to one of those wings that popped open and slapped me in the face. But it's alright. I needed new glasses anyway, so it wasn't that big a deal. But yeah, so that's the new style tails. That's what we got on this one. They lock to the back doors. That's the 2020 version. They're retrofitting the older models with that as well. But yeah, can you tell I'm just recovering from illness? My voice sounds weird even to me. Alright, guys, you've got so much time to match speed with traffic that I'm not going to move for you. You're just going to have to get either in front of me or behind me and merge. Like a reasonable person. There's a port right over here somewhere. So lots of container trucks come down that ramp. 3.5 miles from our exit. We're going to get the trailer washed out, and I'm heading into Chicago. I will see you guys in the next video. These might be a little bit more up to date since I've got no backlog anymore because my old memory card got killed. I'll see if I can't pull the footage off, but I might not be able to do that until we get a laptop, because the last footage I pulled off that memory card was completely silent, as you might have noticed. So I don't know if the rest of the footage that is still on that memory card will be in the same state or what, but I guess we might be not able to get that until we have the laptop again. So we've got like 3 months of videos that are trapped on dead laptops in old memory cards. So, yay! Also, I'm moving in like 2 weeks, so I have no spare money to be putting into those things. I'm hoping the moving budget turns out to be way too much, and I can take whatever's left over and put it toward a new computer, but I don't know. I do not know yet. You will find that out at a later date. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Elio Dare. Azure Angel17 on Twitch, Elio Dare on Xbox Live, Steam, YouTube, and I guess also on Switch. You can probably find me there. I don't know how, but you know, if you have a Twitter account, at Elio Dare is my username, and if you link your Twitter account and your Switch account, you'll be able to find me. If you follow me, you'll be able to find me on there. So do the Twitter thing and the Switch thing, and then you'll find me, because I'm on Switch a lot more than any other console, because the damn thing is so perfectly portable. It's okay, I'm good, fine. It's just the perfect trucker console the Nintendo Switch is. So, anytime I got the free time, that's where I am. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wow, you were going really slow, dude. What is going on, guy? Thank you all so much for watching, and have a great day. Please go faster. Please go faster. I'm exiting right up here. I don't want to